Welcome to Bottest, the leading automated software testing tool. With Bottest, you can save time, effort, and improve the quality of your software. Let's explore the amazing features of Bottest. In software development, testing plays a crucial role in ensuring product quality. But does traditional testing methods really efficient and time-saving? Traditional testing requires significant time and effort for manual test case creation and management. However, it can result in inaccuracies and limited reusability. Performing and managing testing with the traditional approach is time-consuming and labor-intensive. It also brings forth various challenges. Users require proficiency in testing tools. Time-consuming setup of the necessary environment. Lack of accuracy. Low reusability. Need to use multiple browser platforms and manually record the results. Bottest solves these challenges by automating the creation and management of test cases. It allows for easy and quick creation of test cases, saving time and improving the accuracy of the testing process. Bottest is designed to address the challenges, time-saving and increased accuracy. Automated testing across multiple platforms and browsers. Automatically records detailed test results. Bottest brings incredible benefits to the testing process. Let's discover its impressive features together. Testers and developers can automate test cases for web applications across different browsers and operating systems. You can run tests on a central server or a personal computer, depending on your needs. Bottest provides a Chrome extension that makes it easy to record your tests. Bottest aids in managing significant milestones in the development process and the test suite. It provides daily email reports to keep you updated on real-time testing progress. Additionally, Bottest seamlessly integrates with issue tracking tools such as Redmine and Jira, enabling effortless management and tracking of encountered issues during testing. Bottest allows for automatic generation of test cases based on the user interface UI design of your web application. It includes features such as test data generation and creation of test cases. Each element in the design can be defined using 15 attributes supported by Bottest, ensuring accurate detection of elements on the web application. You can easily create test data and test cases. Test data can be stored in Excel, CSV, or SQL files. Test data can be used to upload image files or compare the design with actual results. Test data is generated and can be stored within Bottest. Each screen can generate multiple test data cases. Test data can be used in two activities: use test data and verify test data. This helps create a user interface designed for using test data and verifying test data. It shortens the process of generating automated test cases. Bottest supports over 70 different test actions, helping you reliably test complex scenarios. The list of test cases includes automated test cases with their corresponding final results. Users can view the results by clicking the pass/fail button. Bottest offers a smart dashboard for monitoring the progress and status of your test suites. It displays the progress of all test suites. The test progress section shows the status of all test suites that have been accepted up to the current time, along with the number of test cases that have been accepted, failed, degraded, or not executed. Users can create milestones and track their status. Display the progress of all test suites. Users' software modules are divided into separate test suites for better management. Each test suite includes screens, test data, and test cases. Test suites contain both automated and manual test cases. The status of a test suite is used to assess the software's quality. Scheduling: users can schedule the execution of automated test cases to ensure software quality. If users wish to test the software quality after committing a new version, they can set up a schedule for testing. Measurement metrics: reduce testing effort by 99%. Reduce testing time by 99%. Reduce test reporting time by 99%. Automate 80% of testing. Bottest is designed to be simple and user-friendly, even for those without programming skills. You can leverage its powerful features without the need to spend time learning programming. With Bottest, testing has become easier and more effective than ever. Experience the leading automated testing tool today and discover its power in software development. Bottest, the automated testing solution for your success.